You can personalize the AUDIOKEY 3 app. Change the name of programs by going to the menu and tapping Rename Programs. By going to the menu and tapping Adjust Order, you can change the order of settings or leave settings out. To personalize your profile, select your profile from the main menu. In the menu in the top right corner, select Personalize User Profile. Here, you can add or change your personal details, such as name, date of birth, and your contact details. You can also change your profile picture. Tap on the picture and then select a photo from your gallery. Once you are happy with all the changes, tap Save.